Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about ORM method, which is write method, and how do we implement write method and what is the use case of that particular method in Odoo 19 for our custom module and for general purpose. Now today we are going to study another small but important ORM method, which is the unlink method. Now what is an unlink method? The unlink method is basically the delete operation which is done in the database, and in order to avoid write a query of the delete, we use unlink ORM method. What unlink method returns? It returns the boolean value similar to the write method, and similar to the write method it requires the ID of the particular record to delete. So as you can see, I am currently in my library management module, and here as you can see I have already shown the ID of the particular records. Now what we will do, on clicking on browse we are getting the ID and updating the record. Now instead of updating the record, we simply will delete the record. So when I go to the code, see I am in the library.book model, and here is our browse method which we have done in the previous lecture, and here is our write method. Now what I'll do, I'll simply comment this part of code and use the unlink method. So first here as you can see we are fetching the ID of the record, and then we simply use the unlink method. That's pretty much it. After adding the unlink method, the record will be deleted. For testing purpose, instead of dynamic current ID, I will just simply add the static ID for better demo purpose. So as you can see in the browser, let's say we will take ID number 22. So I will simply add here 22 ID. What it will do, it will first fetch the record with the ID of 22 with the help of browse method. Then if that particular ID exists, then we simply use the unlink method to delete that particular record. So I'll just simply restart my server, go to the browser and simply refresh the page, and see currently you can see the 22 ID record is shown. Now if I go to any of the record and click on browse, in UI you can see nothing happens, but in the list view you can see the record which has the ID 22 has been removed from the database and in the UI as well. Now if I again click, see nothing happens. Why? In UI also nothing happens. Why? Because as I have mentioned earlier, the unlink method returns boolean value. So if the particular unlink method does not get any ID, it will simply return false. It does not show the missing ID error similar to the browse which we have seen in the previous lecture. So it is very similar to the write method. You just have to add the ID, and you can delete multiple operations record as well. So quickly summarize today's topic. What I have done, I have simply show you the unlink method. What it will do, it will simply delete the record based on the ID. And in order to do that, you first need an ID, then simply use the unlink method, and that particular record will be deleted. So I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.